Hi friends, Indrila from Woodpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. I've just started with this, video, which is called Pujo Ranunde. Yesterday, yes, I published part one. Today is part two. Today is all about Kantha. Whatever Kantha stock collection I have, definitely I'm going to showcase all the collection of Kantha because a lot of people have said about Kantha, and Kantha is quite a sought after handwork, handcraft of our country, and especially people of Bengal and eastern sector. They are more so a very small history of Kantha. Kantha is basically the cover, the cover, the body wrap, the body cover which we take, and at the village level when they used to make kantha out of old saris, old soft saris, which were layered one after the other, one after the other, and then the kantha embroidery was done. And the women of the house, after finishing their chores, finishing their cooking, taking care of children, or maybe the farm work, they used to come and sit at in a group. And they used to make kantha embroidery and various whatever. And kantha embroidery is something which is always a free hand stitch, where whichever design comes to your mind, you generally do it. So there are kantha, there are jiri ran, there are guni ran, there are carpet kantha, there are cheli work, there are number of stitches which actually make nukshi kantha. So it's basically, it has come from Bangladesh when the both of the countries were not undivided Bengal. Kantha craft of Kantha is from undivided Bengal, and so that is the nemesis. I mean, that is the beginning to this video, and quickly let me start. Whole Kantha, which is done on, and since we always work on handloom, so this is the first sari. This is on a stunningly color, stunningly beautiful Madurai cotton. Sorry. It's Udupi cotton. Udupi cotton. Sorry, not Madurai. Udupi cotton. Absolutely fantastic combination. See the checks. It's a light weave, light weave and very beautiful, crispy, saris. I just love to work on Udupi cottons. So this is the Kantha. This is the Nakshi Katha pattern I have given in the complete border. This is woven. This is woven. So this is the remaining the border. So this is the palla where this katha, the embroidered flowers and the leaves have come. So this is the getup. This is the getup. These are the floral vines which are done, and see the one is in gray color, and the neatness of the embroidery. See the neatness of the embroidery. You just have to see the neatness of the embroidery, and that small inside part is done with gray. The small inside roundel is done with gray. So these are the small creative display which my artisans love to do, and we love to create and make each creation absolutely significantly different from the other. So these are the two combinations. That's the lower border and that is the upper border. So the whole sari has this kattam checks. These are called these kattam checks, and so that's the whole sari. It's an extremely beautiful sari and very soft and nice to drape. So that's the whole getup. That's the whole getup of the sari. The whole sari is, and whoever loves the handloom cotton saris, they know that how beautiful are the OTP cotton. So I have given a lovely khand fabric blouse piece, lovely khand fabric blouse piece teamed with the sari. So see, it's matching the palla. It's matching the palla. It's matching the sari very well. So the sari and the blouse combination, is 5900. So please, it's a request that in every video nowadays I keep mentioning the prices. So please go through the price also. 5900 sari and the blouse. Absolutely rich kachi haldi color, in the sense that kachi haldi, when you cut it, that yellow color which we get, it's a kachi haldi color. See the color combination of the sari. This is a pure Bengal cotton, absolutely nice handloom cotton. See the combination on the palla. See the combination on the palla. The kantha work. See the kantha work on the palla. When I'm getting closer to the camera, the camera is just getting too lighter. So this is actually the color. See the kantha work. Absolutely majestic. Very beautiful sari. Very, very beautiful sari. And the yellow color is completely dazzling. It is exactly, if you take a raw haldi and if you cut it, the color you get it is the same color as the sari. Camera always don't do justice to these kind of fabulous creations. So we have to see the camera picture with a pinch of salt, but then I try to edit it to the maximum closest level. So this is the pleats, this is the palla. So the pleat work is this. All these kind of small motifs are done all with kantha. And see the border. So this is basically, this is the cheli, filling, this is the cheli filling, otherwise it's run stitch. So that's the lower border, this is the upper border, and that's the pleats. And beautiful sari, lovely sari. So that's the beauty. And the blouse from this, so this comes on your blouse back, this part comes on your blouse back, and these are on the sleeves, so this, you can wear this sari with this blouse piece also, or with the red one. The red would look more bright, something in red, so that will look very, very pretty. But otherwise it's an extremely beautiful sari, extremely beautiful. And the katha, and the sari price is 5600, 5600, and the shipping is additional. That is standard. Another sari with a green and black combination. It's an handloom sari, Bengal handloom sari. Absolutely very beautiful concept of work. Very beautiful concept of work. See, very, very beautiful concept of work. So that is the palla. That is the palla. See the palla. Beautiful palla. And so this is the work. This is all done by cheli is the most complicated stitch, because the gaps what has the artist has maintained in doing this embroidery is completely completely by experience. There is nothing done, no reference lines and all. So it is all by experience. So the body is done in this run stitch. The border, see the border is completely done with GD run and normal run stitch, normal run stitch, and the carpet kantha. The orange part is that carpet stitches. And so this is the combination of the body. The whole body has this. See, beautiful body. Whole body has this kind of vertical floral patterns, vertical floral patterns. So this is, and complete handloom sari. It's a fabric. I mean, it's a very beautiful handloom fabric. And this is the palla, lovely palla. And this is the blouse. The blouse also in a green color, palla also in a green color, and the whole sari has this black body. Very beautiful sari, completely. I mean, there is no second thought of the sari about anything about the sari. If somebody loves handloom saris and kantha embroidery, one should not miss out on this. 5600 plus shipping. 5600 plus shipping. Another very, very lovely, a new bright kind of a color combination, where the palla is orange. Palla is in orange hue. Palla is in orange hue in kantha. See the kantha work. The palla is in orange hue, and this is body is in peach color. So it's basically peach and orange short color. Peach and orange short color. So this is the palla. This is the palla. Please take a screenshot and send me. That's why I'm going little slow, so that you can take a proper screenshot. So a proper screenshot always helps me get back to you properly. So that is the pleats. That part is the pleats. The whole body has this kind of embroidered buta, whole sari, and there is no less, no more. It's completely full sari has this kind of equidistant motifs with this kind of a beautiful bread, kantha bread border. It just looks like a bread, so it's a kantha bread border. And so this is the sari. Lovely sari. So sweet, na? So pretty a color combination, so pretty. And complete pure handloom cotton. And so this is the blouse. This part is the blouse. So this is on your back. This embroidery is on your sleeves, and no, that's the back. And the sleeves has single motifs and that bread border. The sleeves have single motifs and bread border. So this is another, and pure cotton. You would love the sari. Anybody who goes for this sari would just love it when they receive it. 5600 plus shipping. Quickly book these things because these things will not stay anymore. This is another pattern of Nakshi Kantha where this Kantha resembles the what I was telling you, the wrap, the body wrap. See the Kantha work. See the Nakshi Kantha work. See these are the, these are again twisted and turned and made in a thick form. So these have given the forms in the whole embroidery pattern. So this is the whole Kantha. This is the palla where this block is done. It's a Dhania Khali sari. It's a pure handloom. The handloom mark is still there. This is a pure handloom Dhania Khali sari from Bengal. Lovely pink color, very attractive pink color, and my signature block in the pleats. So half and half. The first half has this full first half, 2.5 meters as Kantha, and the rest is with the pleats. So we are this kind of block. See the block. That's the block, our signature block. This is the block print. This is the Kantha. So that combination would come like this: the pleats and the palla and the front look of the sari. So that is the combination. And what I have done, I have given a khand fabric blouse with this, in this kind of a combination. So see the combination of the blouse, of the sari, of the pleats. So that is the combination you would get. Lovely, completely beautiful. See, my necklace is also going so well with this. So this kind of a Lambani necklace, if you wear with this kind of a sari, nothing can beat it. Okay, so the price of this sari is 6700. Another one where the sari is a light cotton, very light Bengal cotton, with Kantha embroidery on the palla. This is the Kantha embroidery on the palla, like this. It's a complete, it's a village scene. The whole embroidery on the palla is a village scene. See the village scene, like a lot of the huts are there, then people are walking, and then there are flora, fauna, animals, सब कुछ है. तो ये है पूरा village scene. और उसके बाद this the whole body, and this is a lavender shade. The whole body has this kind of embroidery. See the embroidery. It's a very special kind of embroidery. How neatly it has been done on the border, both the borders, upper and lower. And so this is the sari, complete sari. So the painting is done, the painting and the the sari is with painting as well as Kantha work. So the body is done with painting like this. This is the fish painting. This is a Pattachitra art. This painting is from the Bengal Pat painting, Pattachitra art. So this is the whole the pleats are from this. So the whole sari has this. It's a very beautiful sari. See, very artistic, very artistic. And the palla, and so the blouse from this. So what I have done is that, so blouse I have teamed up this one. this khand fabric blouse I have teamed up. So this blouse goes with the painting very well, matches with the painting very well. So this is the blouse. So this is the blouse, this is the sari, and the sari and the blouse are priced at 5400, 5400, 5400. A very beautiful kantha in chettinad cotton. Kantha in chettinad cotton. This kantha is also amazingly beautiful. A chettinad cotton sari, pure chettinad cotton sari with a zari bordered Vanasingaram border. Zari, this Vanasingaram border. Can you see the animals? So that is the cotton. That is the border. That's the mark of the chettinad cotton. And see the kantha embroidery. See the kantha embroidery, the cheli leaves and the flowers. So that's the kantha embroidery on the palla. First the block is done, the designs are made, and then the kantha, and so these are the small ones. So see the elephant, the neatness of the kantha embroidery. See the neatness of the kantha embroidery. That is the elephant, and the lower part has this kind of flowers. This kind of flowers, these are also done in kantha. So it is like this, it's like this, and so that is the sari. That is the whole sari has equidistant elephant work, and the lower flower work, this the border flower work, and this is the lower border. Very vibrant and beautiful sari, very vibrant and beautiful sari. Gray color looks very elegant, the gray base, and that's why we could give in so many colors, because the base is so subtle and muted. So that is the whole sari, that is the whole sari. So that's the palla of the sari, this is the palla of the sari, and the whole sari has this small kantha embroidery, the small elephants and the flower. So and the blouse is this, the blouse I have given is this khand fabric, matching with the blue of the border. So this is the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece, this is the khand blouse piece, matching overall. And the blouse and the sari costs 5700, 5700. A Bengal cotton khadi, a khadi hand spun khadi cotton sari from Bengal. This with kantha, this is with kantha. The pallu has lovely pattern from the from the kalamkari style blocks. From the kalamkari style, the kantha is done. This is the kantha. So the kantha is like this. This is also kantha. Can you make out the finesse, the fineness of the kantha? This one is kantha, this one is kantha. So that's the palla. This is a beautiful hand woven border, and so the kantha embroidery motifs are like this in the body. So the front part of the body, has this kind of motifs, and that's the palla. It's a very pretty and a very elegant sari. Again, grey color actually is one of the most sought after base color, because you can apply a lot of color. So we have our signature block, on the pleats. So the whole pleat has this kind of a combination. So this is our basically the sari has half and half combination. So that's the kantha part, and so that's the pleat part. So that is the pleat part. So it's like this. If you just hold the pleats like this, so the pleats will be like this. That's the pleat part. So this is the kantha, that's the palla, and blouse is ajrak blouse piece. Ajrak blouse piece like this. This is an ajrak blouse piece. See the combination, and so smart. And for puja, Durga Puja, I mean, this kind of combination, this kind of saris, this time Durga Puja is very moist and humid kind of a weather it will be. So this sari would just be so beautiful, and all handcrafted, no dazzle, no shimmer, no dazzle. Very nice handcrafted sari with ajrak blouse piece, with kantha work, and on a hand spun khadi cotton. The price range for this sari is 5700. So the price range basically is all at the comfortable level, so you can always book the saris as per your choice and liking. So another very beautiful pink sari with this Nakshi Katha pattern. Again, my this is going so well. My necklace is going so well with this also. So that's the Nakshi Katha pattern, complete Nakshi Katha pattern like this. The upper border, then this is the palla, and it takes very long time. It takes very long time to do such kind of work, such kind of katha work. Very beautiful. Just check it out. So that's the sari, and the whole sari has this buttonhole stitches. The whole sari has this buttonhole stitches. See the buttonhole stitches. So these are also hand done. So that's a very nice sari, and pure handloom cotton. Pure handloom cotton. So that's the whole complete sari, and the blouse is from this navy blue, and the blouse is from this navy blue part, and that's the work. The blouse is from the navy blue part, and that is the work, embroidery. Beautiful one, very nice one, and lovely comfortable pure handloom cotton. I can't wear anything but handloom, that is for sure, because the day I started with this work, and I tasted the perfection of handloom, the comfort on, and the what would I say, the next to skin kind of a comfort. So only handloom. 5800. A beautiful tangai sari with lovely this stripe border, lovely stripe border, and this kind of a kantha embroidery. This is a shadow kind of a kantha embroidery. So this is like this, and the achol is like this. Achol has this kind of kantha embroidery, full kantha embroidery, and this is the body. The whole body has this kind of a getup. Beautiful sari, little starchy, but then it will the starch will get off in just 1 or 2 wear, that's all. The whole sari has this kind of stripes, which we call jol dure, but this is not in a jol dure fashion, because jol dure has light and dark shading depending on the weave. So this is basically like this, a little stiff, but then it is fabulous, beautiful sari. So that's the whole sari, and this motif is all along intermittently. It is given on the pleats of the sari, and also on the upper part. So this is the upper part, and that is the lower part. Everywhere the this motif is done. And this sari doesn't have a blouse piece, so what I have done, I have given a polysilk blouse, lavender kind of a blouse, so that it looks a little dazzling. So this is a blouse piece which I have given with the sari. The price of the sari is 3850. A Tasarbai cotton fabric with kantha and painting. So this is in off-white color. So that's the palla. It's very soft and nice sari. So this is the palla, where it has been, the kantha work is full of kantha work on the palla, and the body has this kind of painting. Such beautiful hand painting, such it's cross. In this the bail are in a cross pattern. In the whole sari, the bail is in a cross pattern like this. Beautiful, and this is all hand painted, and the border is kantha. The border is completely very nicely done with kantha. And so that's the whole body of the sari. And so these are very nice and soft saris with this is tussar by cotton. The warp is tussar, the weft is cotton. So that's the sari, and the blouse piece has this kind of work. So that's the back of the blouse, and the sleeves also have kantha work. So that's another one. Very pretty, off-white, in off-white shade. 5750, 5750. Beautiful one. A very unique and combination in this sari is another satin border, Bengal tant with satin border. So these are called the satin borders. This is in Ganga Jamuna border combination. So this also has this this ajrak applique work with kantha highlights. Ajrak applique work with kantha highlights. So the upper part, body border is black, the lower border is red. Very puja like sari, very puja like sari. So these are the palla. This is the palla, and these are like this kind of fishbone stitch, herringbone stitches are given like this. Herringbone stitches are given like this. So this is the whole sari, and the whole sari has this applique work and small hand or embroidered mica, not this thing, not mirror but mica. So the whole sari has this yellow mica embroidery, and this also has a little bit of starch, but again, since they are pure handloom cotton, so they will completely get okay. So I mean, when you wear it, so that's the two combination. So there is a blouse, full kantha work blouse has been given with this sari. Full kantha work blouse has been given with this sari. Full it's like a jacket. The kantha work is like a jacket. So the sari and the blouse costs 4850. 4850. It's a full kantha works blouse piece. Let me just show you. So that's the back. It's like a jacket completely, and these are the sleeve work. So it's a lot of work, actually, lot of work. And 4850, absolutely throwaway price, actually. So these are all very nice offer prices, and you can pick up for the puja. There are this is another these are in tassa, pure tassa silk. So this is this sari is full kantha work, full kantha work like this, and this is nakshi kantha, and the full kantha work, all multicolored kantha. If you can just check it out, multicolored kantha work with the nakshi kantha pattern. So this is the front part and the pallu. This is half of a sari. So this is the pallu and the front part of the sari. So the pleats coming from this block. So this is our signature design. This is our signature design, and this always, every time, if I make 5, 6 of them, and they just go in a jiffy. So this is another. So that's the pleat. That's the pleat part. See the block, beautiful block, Mughal Butta, beautiful Mughal Butta block, matching with the matching with the first part of the sari. And so that's the so this is kind of the the pleats have come like this from this. And this is a semi-stitched blouse where everything is complete, only the sides needs to be finished. So this is the front, this is the back of the blouse, this is the back of the blouse with this kantha patchwork, and the sleeves are like that. The price of the sari and the blouse is 11,750, 11,750. So that's the complete sari and the blouse. The next kantha and the the last one in this series is this. It's a cross pallu kind of a design, where the kantha sari is it going diagonal. The work is going diagonal. So when you wear the pleats, so see, the work is going diagonal. So in this, so the when you wear it, the pleat falls very beautifully. See, when you wear it, the pleat falls very, very beautifully. It's like this Badte Kadam kind of a design, where so it goes and like this. So that's the whole kantha embroidery. Very pretty, very nice, and on tassa silk. And the price of the sari is 10,800, 10800. And the blouse in this, the blouse is like this. Sari and the blouse, I have given a khand fabric blouse piece in this. I've designed the blouse piece in this like this, and this is the blouse piece, and the kantha work is like this. In the sleeves, the kantha work is here in this kind of sleeve, this sleeve also, and the back. So very smart blouse. And the sari 10800 is the sari and the blouse combination. Thank you so much. Quickly share the screenshots and get your choiced one. Thank you.